Hello everyone! Today, I'd like to share a type of video that is getting a lot of attention right now. If you're curious about how this kind of video is created, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to create it using AI in the simplest way possible, so even beginners can follow along. Let's get started and create this video together.
Porch light glow, in the porch light glow. Your hair in a loose knot, old tea from some small town. You trace plans on the table, and you just let them fall down. Porch light glow on your shoulder, dust in the air, drifting slower. If this is all that we ever know, I'm good right here in the porch light glow, in the porch light glow. Oh. Maybe the world keeps speeding past us. Maybe we're learning how to move half-time. You take my hand like it's the first time, last time. Say, look up, the sky's still on our side. Porch light glow on your shoulder, dust in the air, drifting slower. If this is all that we ever know, I'm good right here in the porch light glow, just growing old in the porch light glow. Steam from the cup, mess up the window. You're tracing a heart on the fog with your thumb. Sun on your shoulder, threadbare old sweater. You mumble a joke and the day comes undone. It's easy right here beside you, like morning spilling in and slow. I wear this piece like a loose, soft t-shirt. You're the gentlest thing I know. You're the gentlest thing I know. Toast on the counter, crumbs in the sunlight. Dancing your socks past the sink, half awake. You say we got plenty and mean more than coffee. Somehow the hurry just learns how to wait. It's easy right here beside you, like morning spilling in slow. I wear this piece like a loose, soft t-shirt. You're the gentlest thing I know. You're the gentlest thing I know. Ooh, 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 ooh. dust on the windowsill, mug rings on the coffee table. You're humming while the kettle sings, old sweater hanging off your shoulder. Soft mornings, slow afternoons, you laughing in this quiet room. Nothing fancy, nothing grand, just your heartbeat in my hand. Soft mornings, slow afternoons, I could spend my life with you right here in this messy, gentle view. Plants leaning toward the light, your socks never match and I like it. You read half a page, then talk instead, lose the plot, but I don't mind it. Soft mornings, slow afternoons, you dancing with a wooden spoon. Hey! Nothing planned, but somehow still, every second feels so filled. Soft mornings, slow afternoons, pressed against the fading blue. I could spend my life with you.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.